Yo! Did we ever talk about Clecos? Let's talk about Clecos! Bow, bow, bow! What the fuck is a Cleco? This is a Cleco. This is a Cleco tool. What does it do? Real simple. It's a temporary rivet. You can use it to hold certain things in place before you rivet them. This particular application, I'm using this to just hold this in place. But you know, you can use it as, like I said, a temporary rivet. Real simple. 1/8 inch hole. This is a busted one. We don't like that one. Let's get one more straight. There you go. That's it. Voila. That's it, that's all. There you have it. Just the tip.